At LHD TECH, high-density manufacturing starts with absolute precision. We utilize advanced imaging technology to define complex circuitry with micron-level accuracy. Our R&D center monitors every chemical element, ensuring the perfect balance for high-performance reliability. By merging cutting-edge hardware with scientific rigor, we deliver the structural excellence your innovation deserves. Precision defined, performance delivered. Partner with LHD TECH today.